Yes, welcome to Jamaica Young Police channel. To all loyal viewers, subscribers, and Patreon members, we appreciate your continued support. At our channel, we are a group of law-abiding citizens who firmly believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen, but not the ones who do not subscribe to such behavior, and respect those who disregard these principles. We strongly believe in and support preemptive strikes because they save lives. Yes, preemptive strikes save lives and prevent the further loss of life. Now, that's a logical conclusion. Our mission is clear: to save lives and stand against criminals. We are a platform, not for criminals. We don't seek your views, subscriptions, likes, thumbs up, or comments. Please go elsewhere where the red carpet is waiting for you. This channel is a sanctuary for justice. We firmly believe criminals belong in prison or the departure lounge at Madden's. So help me God and nowhere else. If you are new to the Jamaica Young Police channel, we invite you to subscribe by clicking the subscription button and selecting all on the bell. You will stay informed whenever we release a new video. This channel is not about entertainment. It's about education, inspiration, and motivation. We aim to instill a deep-seated hatred to criminals and corrupt police officers who are robbing the people, whether they're drugs or their property. We hate thieving police officers with a passion. Additionally, we have a Patreon channel where you can access exclusive videos that are unavailable on YouTube due to its rules and regulations. By subscribing to our Patreon, you support our cause, which costs less than a cup of coffee. Thank you for being a part of our community. Now, let's move on to today's video. Yeah, so you always hear, when we start in a video, to always look on your LCD, so you know what we're going to talk about. So yes, so as we stated before, and we continue to say, Jamaica is a criminal's paradise in the Caribbean Sea, whether or not you want to believe it. And when we say that without any apologies. And the reason why we say that is because we tell you already, the problem in Jamaica, is not the little guys where fire a gun, are the 63 people we have in a parliament. They are the one that destroy this justice system and make it easier for criminals to commit crimes and turn criminals into victims and the victims into suckers, and the police become the most hated members of society who are supposed to be the first line of defense of the country. But in Jamaica, them not care about police, all them care about a criminal and votes. And as you have seen all the time on various social media platforms, or them treat police officers in Jamaica, and that's how it is, with these people. They have no respect. And you will never see the politician them, you will never see one of them come out and denounce the criminals. No, they won't do that. Reason being, to do that, say I lose them, I lose votes. So they can't afford that. They have to maintain them core base, and them core base are criminal-minded people. You understand? So that's why the people them operate in that realm. So they have no fear of law. Them afraid of the law, and then afraid of no repercussion, because they know say the system is designed for them. So that's why them continue to behave like that and attack the police and do all kind of things. And you will never see one of our legislators or lawmakers in Jamaica come out and denounce them. No, if them do that, them lose votes. So you don't know what the criminals in Jamaica, they are the chosen ones. And when we say that, we say it without any apologies, because that's how it is there, Whether or not you want to believe it. Some people, Them love put them head in the sand and them not want to see anything. So as we said to you now, Jamaica is a criminal's paradise in the Caribbean Sea. So you have a all bad man, you know, the man all the man a militia leader, you know, the man a big drugs dealer, the man a known militia leader. When we say militia, that means say, you know, so them have rifles and all of them things there. He might done for one crew when he in the 90's crew. I don't know if you know a youth where come from town named Randy. Him have all a house a smoky veil and him get deported and him kill him at Jamaica, yeah. You understand? And I think him girl be one of him baby mother, but I know say one pretty girl and one next girl it burn her up with acid and I know all her sister and them thing there. Yeah. I know our sister and thing, you know. Yeah, pretty girl too, you know, you understand. You know, all of them come from inner town and them thing there, you understand? Yeah, so you know, say yeah, so Rev now, him name, yeah man, so him freed of all the gun charges, them, you know, gun related charges. And we suspect that yeah, some corruption happening in this case. Big money run. We can't tell you now between me and you, because Rev, we tell you straight up on them thing. Because people are like, boy, you love to talk about politics. What do you mean? Then the politics run Jamaica if you're not connected to either PMP or the GLP. I saw it go on them thing there. So Rev is a big PMP, criminal organization supporters. Majority of police them in the Jamaica Constabulary Force are PMP criminal organization supporters. Why? You think I joke me, make? So for Rev walk from this case here, me I tell you say it's a big giveaway. So you don't know money run. And we can't tell you because we know all a certain the Deputy Commissioner of Police from St. Elizabeth. He might have a friend, DCP, we I tell you. And you know say you have all other gazette officer will come from St. Elizabeth, even when Rev the charge, them still go check him and all them things and them phone number in a Rev cell phone. Yeah, we not ask you. Remember say yeah, we have contact down there, you know. I St. Elizabeth, you know. We used to work at St. Elizabeth too. Yeah, we work at all the place at Jamaica, man. So them did have we. You understand? Because we never have no godfather, we never kiss nobody ass and all them things there. Because we faced, you know, and you don't know where the eye and them thing there. We never a thief. When you're a thief, you have a thief give people for you understand, for maintain that forget that from a protection. So we never need none because we never commit no crime. You understand? So yeah man, so St. Elizabeth resident, yeah man, him live at Santa Cruz, Godfrey Martin, otherwise called Rev of the 90's crew, has been freed of conspiracies to import firearms and ammunition illegally to Jamaica, yeah man, from the United States of America. So the man is 51 years old and has been charged with 21 counts of conspiracy to import firearms and ammunition in connection with the seizure of 18 handguns, 3 rifles, large cache of ammunition at a freight in Kingston on March 4th, 2022, after members of the Jamaica Customs Agency discovered the anomalies. On August 7th, 2022, detectives assigned to Counter-Terrorism and Organized Crime Branch, CTAC, held him and 4 others in a much publicized sting operation. So the sting operation was what? Just say a joke on them thing there. However, during the case at the Gun Court Division of the Supreme Court, the prosecution could not prove that he imported or conspired to import the weapons. Alright, so the thing is that now, I don't know how in the first place them charge him then if there was no evidence. That just boggle the mind. Because normally if you charge somebody for conspire, because you know say a crime committed by more than 2 persons, that's conspiracy and you can't prove it. Where the police them drop the ball. So the police them apparently there was a guy I don't remember him, them kill him in a Spanish town. He was one of them too and them thing there. So more or less he was him live in my American citizen too, and them kill him in a Spanish town. One of them in what table them say it was Rev ordered for them kill him. Yeah. And them say a termite them kill him. That I see him termite where them kill where the police them sent to the departure alone the other day. So him walk. But the police them supposed to, even the other other men, in which the receipt them show that the transaction was done in America and ship the thing them and them arrest them in Jamaica. Oh, them can oh that. So the investigator, say him collect money in this case. When I ask, we are telling that as a detective. Corrupt police, that's why I'm work. Corrupt police. And then first it happen and them thing, then it won't be the last, Man collect money. You understand? They are not thinking up there. These police officers, they are not thinking about Jamaica. All they are thinking about what's in it for me. So that is what happened in this case with a rev case. Them collect money and Lego rev. Where I tell you, I just saw it go. You understand? The police them mess up big time with rev case because a case like this is supposed to be a slam dunk case, especially the kind of person that this man is. This man has been committing crime from before him born. Yeah man, I saw it on them thing there. And them now, criminals, them are like informer. We are the Jamaica Young Police and we're the biggest informer. Yeah man. And we say it without any apologies. So, however, during the case at the Gun Court Division of the Supreme Court, the prosecution could not prove that a rev, imported or conspired to import weapons. So, Martins, that a rev attorney, submits a no case submission and the judge agree there was no evidence for him to answer. He was found not guilty. So basically, if them says a no case submission, that means that it's a trial then, because you cannot just ask a no case submission without evidence presented to the court. You understand? Normally, it would be like a null pros, or you understand what I'm saying, or the prosecution withdraw the indictment. So they have evidence but not sufficient based on the investigators, the evidence that he submitted to the court. Yeah, so the judge now, the attorney, Rev was represented by King's Counsel Jacqueline Samuel Brown and Everton J. Doer. So Jacqueline Samuel Brown, Bert Samuel's sister, that yeah man. So you understand what I'm saying? So so the police have charged 51. So I tell you how it start now. The police have charged 51-year-old St. Elizabeth businessman. Some man a drug dealer, All even the plane the other day when named Santa Cruz, where they crash on a rev thing that plane, me I tell you, But you don't know the man they have a police them a Santa and all the way to Era Tree in pocket and them thing there. Yeah man, so Rev have whole heap of big shot police in him pocket and them thing there, man, cause if a man have his background and all of them thing there, CTAC police lock him up and him just walk. How that? That boggles the mind, man. Make it make sense to me. How him walk? You understand? How them present no evidence to the court for even convict him for not even one of the counts them. Remember that police, Godfrey Martin, otherwise called Rev of the 90's crew, the police them arrest and charge him with conspiring to illegally import 21 guns and over 2,000 rounds of ammunition into the island. So the two charges were laid and stem from a March 4th bus that in 2022 at a warehouse in Kingston, where authorities discovered 18 guns along with 3 rifles and 2,216 assaulted rounds of ammunition. A whole heap of money that But them, you understand? So you see, all them talk about, boy, these youths, they're poor. They're not poor, nothing of them thing. That all them want for is destroy other people's life. That's why you have to send them to the parts alone. So you understand? But you have a thing like Jamaican for Justice, which is another arm of the PNP criminal organization. Any political party have a human rights agency or entity where different criminal. It's not a political party, it's a criminal organization. Whether you like or not like the Jamaica Labour Party, them not no human rights group or defend the criminal. None. Only PNP criminal organization. And the same logo that is there for the PNP party with the fist is the same logo on it. You understand? And and when some people are saying, some not in the see that, but is either you heard dummy or something, you understand? Hey, look here. A PNP community, my born and growing, So anyway, me see Fist, you know, I know about Stand Firm and the struggle and all of these things. Me know all of the talking points them where them use in the PMP circle and them things. So once you see the Fist, you don't know a PMP straight that. So Jamaican for Justice, I just because the label right them not that smart either too, you know. Because if them did smart, them would say, wait. But Jamaican for Justice is part of the PMP criminal organization. You understand? So that's why, and them support criminality. So that's why them defend criminals so much, you know. Because they make money from it. Crime a big business, you know. Remember I said Dr. Caroline Gooms become a millionaire, you know. We're not talking a Jamaican currency, you know. We're talking a US that she can have a 24-hour security guard, armed security affair yard for bodyguard she and her husband and her grand pitney. You understand? How we reach all this as a people. Them are people are caroused, you know, man. You understand? So the police them now following intense investigation, detectives assigned to the counter terrorism and organization crime investigation branch arrested Rev Yaman on August 7th in a Ocheria at an entertainment event. So all that was just, you know, embarrassing the police force, you understand? How much money the police them collecting at this case? Them not even tell you who I detected them, say them work at CTAC. And the brother named Fitzbailey or Fitzbailey, him in charge of CIB and CTAC now. So me I tell you how them stupid. Them change the name from Flying Squad to CTAC. Instead of, you know, me not see difference on them thing there because, you know, CTAC not effective like Flying Squad. And a CTAC police charge Rev Feet. And see him walk from the case like nothing. So it goes to show you that if investigators them have in the police force and more on them thing, because everybody are dumb, you know, in it, you know. All everybody are doing muggling and all of these things. See all the police now him left from Portland, Ghana St. Elizabeth. I transport ganja from there to go back with 2 Asian. I saw it go on them thing the police. I tell you, man, them just a criminal. Everybody down there just a hustle. Nobody no respect no integrity and reputation and all them things. If you not got jail or involved in criminality and known as a thief in police, you know, I get the promotion, so I would say a whole heap of them, you know. Yeah, man, we say whole heap of thief in police, you know, I get promoted. We say whole heap of thief in police get promotion in Jamaica, you know. See, our police will sell a tank of gas in the unspare police station and extort all the man all money to give back the man in tank and them man they are crime chief. Oh, that I just pay a criminal like police force. Me I tell you, yeah, man, I just say God. You know, so all the people them for trust. And that's why people them affair commit crime for them people them affair literally I take the line and them own and forget justice, because the police then themselves corrupt. Just like the criminal them and them thing there. So some people say, boy, better me deal with the criminal than the police, you know, because the police them worse. You understand? Yeah. So in March, yeah, that's 2022. 2 foreign nationals, 36-year-old Jermaine Baker of Fort Lauderdale, Florida, and 42-year-old Dervon Brown of Bronx, New York, were arrested and charged with connection with the fine. They were both charged with illegal importation of firearm and ammunition. So the Jamaican justice system, a spectacle of ineffectiveness. Yeah, man, so Rev free of gun charges. In a staggering display of inefficiency and leniency inherited in the Jamaican justice system, St. Elizabeth resident, yeah, man, Godfrey Martin, otherwise known as Rev of the 90's crew, has been acquitted of severe gun-related charges. Yeah, man, Martin, Godfrey Martin, yeah, Rev, faces 21 counts of conspiracy to import firearms and ammunition illegally. This charge stemmed from a significant seizure made by the Jamaica Customs Agency on March 4, 2022 in Kingston. The discovery includes 18 handguns, 3 rifles, and a substantial cache of ammunition. It's over 2,200 hard rounds, you know. How hard the money are fighting, you know, man. So Martin and 4 others were apprehended in a highly publicized sting operation conducted by a detective from the Counter-Terrorism and Organization Branch, CTAC, on August 7th. The operation intended to showcase the authorities' commitment to combating organized crime has become a glaring example of systemic failure. So the police, them are them them are trying to embarrass when you can't embarrass criminal by locking up river and party. You understand? And you are embarrassing yourself now because I see him go to court and him walk because paper bag run. Yes. And we can't blame the judge. I police not to them work. Because warm to all of them documents from the shipping company and all of these things. Oh, all of the people them work. Me never see nothing like this yet. Well, the investigator why him they collect a bag of money and just left it work. So boy, I tell you, because Rev supposed to go to prison. You understand? So despite the seriousness of the charges, the prosecutor's case unraveled spectacularly in the gun court division of the Supreme Court. The prosecution could not substantiate claims Martin had imported or conspired to import firearms and ammunition. In a dramatic turn, Martin's defense attorney submitted a no-case submission arguing that there was no evidence for their client to answer. The judge concurred, resulting in a verdict of not guilty. So basically, alright, so hey, look here. Basically, you know what happened? We're not privy to inside of what happened in a court. So so the police them get evidence and they make the no case submission and the judge say, boy, there's no charges for them to answer. So now nothing the police them must do them due diligence because for them arrest 2 men from America and go to Jamaica. They have the evidence there. So I know the police, I judge a brown paper bag run right here, sir. And the judge upheld the no case submission because after the police them give evidence and them thing there, the Crown wrap up its case. And that's when the prosecution say, boy, there's nothing for say the Crown finished now and say, boy, a year turn now, And the defense said, boy, my client, there's not enough evidence here to prove that my client had committed any crime and all of that. And you don't know, because, hey, Jacqueline Samuel Brown, Bert Samuel's sister, So if you understand when it come on to the justice system work down there and them thing, the criminals them, you understand? So you don't know, say, I'm more or less a brown paper bag one right here. So in other case, I tell you. And then they police them. Although they would want to make it like I police, but it's not the police, I judge. Yes, I judge. I used to once the judge said no case, I walk them walk. Brown paper bag one, Jacqueline Samuel Brown is Bert Samuel's sister. You have to understand. Bird of the same feather flock together. You understand? Remember me tell you that. Yeah. So we'll continue the journey. You understand? So the prosecution could not substantiate claims Martin had imported or conspired to import the firearms and ammunition. And in a dramatic event, in a dramatic turn, Martin's defense attorney submitted a no-case submission, arguing that there was no evidence for their client to answer. The judge concurred, resulting in a verdict of not guilty. So they must say basically now, after them give evidence. So in the first place, how the police them get to charge Rev? If them have no evidence, right? Is it the man where them kill a Spanish town? Is he the witness that's supposed to testify against Rev, the American brother where them kill? I don't know, because something fishy about the case here. Yeah, something fishy about the case here, you understand? So the lawyer them adeptly navigated the case to secure his freedom. Their success, however, cast a long shadow over the competence and rigor of prosecutorial efforts in high-profile cases. So the larger implication, the outcome of this case underscore a broader issue. The Jamaican justice system is riddled with inefficiencies and plagued by a lack of accountability. So here are some points that's elucidated why this case exemplifies a system in disarray. Weak prosecution efforts Despite the gravity of the charges, the prosecution's inability to present compelling evidence against Martin highlight a significant gap in the investigative and prosecutorial process. This failure suggests a lack of thoroughness and preparation that undermines public confidence in the justice system's ability to handle serious crimes. Questionable judicial decisions. The judge's decisions to agree with the no case on submission, while legally sound, raises question about the standards of evidence required in such critical cases. The swift dismissal of the charges can be perceived as a failure to fully explore and prosecute criminals' activities adequately. Public perception and deterrence. High-profile cases like this, when resulting in acquittal due to weak prosecution, send a disheartening message to the public. It erodes trust in the legal system and its capacity to maintain law and order, diminishing the deterrent effort a robust legal system should have on criminal activities. Resources allocation and prioritization. This case apparently lack of coordination and effectiveness points to resource misallocation within the justice system. The focus must shift towards better training for prosecutors and investigators, ensuring they can build and present strong cases. So I wonder which police arrest and charge this man and everything. Because normally you charge a guy like this, he's not supposed to walk. He's supposed to have a hair-tied case. So money run somewhere, brown paper bag run. I tell you that. So the acquittal of Godfrey Martin, affectionately known as Rev, is not merely a single instance of judicial failure. It's a symptomatic of a much larger problem within the Jamaican justice system. Until systemic reforms are implemented to address the shortcomings in prosecution, investigation and judicial processes, the public faith in justice will continue to wane. This case is a stark reminder that without accountability and a rigorous legal standard, the justice system risks becoming a mere spectacle, undermining its fundamental purpose of upholding the rule of law. So you don't know how them see man, I cause all of these problems because they're not doing them job. Normally when you charge somebody like a man of Rev background, you're supposed to have him kneel down. That's if him look left, him can't get out. If him look right, him can't get out. If him even want to breathe, he must suffocate. I just say do them case there. But apparently something is a miss right here. So have yourself a beautiful day. Jamaica Young Police Channel out.